today you're not going to see me, but you can see my cousins. We're going to do a Tawana squishy collection, so let's get right into it. So first we have this dumpling. It's a blue dumpling. Yeah, and this is like updated. So like we got better stuff like squishy Neatos, we got dumplings, and then we got this drop. I don't think it's real, but like it's really cool. And then
You told us about the.
I don't think it is. And then we got this little thing that it's not a needle, but it is a squishy. So we can squish that, and then we have this. And we have this. It's like it's kind of like a cube. It's in like a container. I got it at Torba's. It's not a needle, but it's squishy. Then we got the school dumpling.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Yeah, I like the feeling.
Yeah. Are we feeling? Ooh, that feels good.
I know it does. So guys, and then you can close that and put it right here.
Yeah.
And then I'll just do one of them. We got butter. A giant butter. We got giant butters. I did some
It
TikToks.
doesn't even really feel like a squishy that much.
He gave me one.
Yeah.
Small ones though.
And then first I got like this. It's like gel. I don't even think it's a squishy. And then we got this. And then we got this dumpling. I think this is fake. This pink dumpling. And then we got this Starbucks. It's Neato, but it doesn't just say it because we got it at the fair.
matching one too.
Yeah, she got a pink one. This is the pink drink one.
I get a matcha.
And then we got this, so we have a gold one of these, like gold glitter, but I'm not going to show that one to you. And we got this. It feels really good.
We got like this bigger cube.
Yeah, and then we got this cube, but it's not a Neato. It's a squishy though. So, and then, wait, would you open that? Open, it's kind of, it's a little hot. Oh, that's my arm.
This one. This is like.
Yeah, it's a tie-dye. So then we got,
Like feel it. It feels good. Like bro, how do you say it? Don't look at the bottom.
okay, now,
Lieutenant Dan Daniels.
and then we can put that right here. And we got this, it's another thing that's red. And then we got, and then first we got, and then guys, let me set the camera down. And then we got this Galaxy glitter dumpling. Wait, one sec. I just took it out of its case. So,
Butter on the plate. That's fake butter.
I wish I looked so like. Wait, let me get. No, let's give them a better view.
That book?
They don't see it. You have to put it like at the camera, like that. So it's really cool. And then we can put that back in its case. And then.
The cost of butter is like.
Yeah, right here. And then we didn't show you this yet. I forgot. It's called a drop. Well, it's the drip. And it's not a Neato, but and then like these are
Were you going to leave it there or were you going to put it?
and we also have this dumpling case with nothing in it because
Yeah,
the dumpling popped, so we had to throw it away.
It just ran.
It feels.
Yeah, you'll be the same as if you don't touch it.
So we got
it's
that.
not blue. It's just the lighting.
You haven't get any value out of it. You'll feel the same.
And then it shows on this one. Yeah.
It doesn't like me.
Okay.
When did you
So
get
and
that?
then
man?
this
How
one.
often are you
Wait,
going
on this one. Wait, let me see it.
When did you get them?
Wait, give us a sec.
How long have you had?
No. Yeah, we did it.
A year
So
ago?
guys, and then we got this fake one. It's like the
What's
pink
dog's
one,
name? Bomb?
but it's like white.
Get along.
Yeah. And then
We have like this one.
yeah, and then we have
Not at all.
that one. It's
I was gonna say, it seems like
no, yeah, we got
the
one.
one-
And then
We got this one
and then
too.
we have like one last thing to show you. So
That's a big deal.
and me and my brother are sharing. So these are both of us. We got this Neato cube. It's a Nike themed cube, and it feels so good. Yeah.
Now, this is mine. It's like one of this. It's actually really cool. I also have another like plain blue one. Yeah, and like I showed this already in the video, but like matching his, I got one also. And I like it. It's actually really easy to squish. And so I really
Mine's
enjoy
a
it.
little hard.
that it is squishy. Yeah, it's really hard.
Yeah, so we're gonna say bye. Want to do the intro?
Thank you so much for watching.
You know, like
Tell them to.
And please like and subscribe.
Okay, good. Bye.